Good morning. It is Monday, and yesterday we pretty much finished this whole entire back row for the RV spots or RV road. And today we're gonna start working all the way at the end of the road where the curve is, and we're gonna try and do the curve, and then we're gonna try and clear out the entire septic field in between the middle road and this last road. Got snake boots on and gonna go mark the curve. I'm not doing 35 feet like I've been. I think I'm just gonna mark probably 15 feet on each side of the center line of the road stake, and then hopefully gonna connect this road to that road. Gonna go ahead and go and mark the trees. What I've been doing is using this to mark the footage, like I said, probably about 15 feet from the center line stake. And then I'm just gonna do one ribbon and then a spray can on top and bottom. The reason I do this is just to kind of, in case this comes off or something, I still have two ribbons or two stripes with the paint, and it's bright neon, so it's really easy to see. This can be a little bit harder to see. All right, we got the excavator warming up, and let me show you guys what I did. So right up in here is the septic area. And so let's see, the ribbon hanging from the tree that marks the side or the edge of the septic field. But what I did, so we have a septic field which is like 200 and something feet by 123 feet, and then we have a repair area that's like 106 feet by 123 feet. Here it is. So the repair area does not have to have or does not have to be fully cleared, so we can leave trees basically from these 3 X's that way. So probably what I'll do is just end up just thinning them out to where it's just a nice big, you know, pine and oak trees and stuff. But anyway, I put the 3 X's halfway down and then one at the very end, so whenever I go around the turn down there and I get to the end of this field and I start working my way into the field, then I'll know that I can clear every single tree up to these 3 X's. And then we're not just taking down every single tree. The picnic area will still have a lot of trees in it. All right, so I've been working for just a little bit, just trying to get it cleaned up, just a hair. So I see right there in front of my bucket, that is where the orange mark is. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take out these last few trees right here that are just kind of junk trees. And then we're gonna start making that turn. I would like to keep it just 3 piles, but I don't know if I'll be able to. GoPro overheated, but right in there, that's the curve, the road. And then all this so far is what I've cleared for the septic field. So let's see, there's a green ribbon, or not a green, an orange ribbon hanging on that tree right in there. So I've got to go maybe 15 more feet this way, and then on this side I've got to clear this corner here, which is probably the same, maybe 30 feet or so deep. I don't know how far back I went, but that's probably 150 feet or so. So I'm probably, where I stopped is probably halfway in. I'm gonna get a better idea once I walk back to my truck in a minute. But yeah, so far so good. Gotta go get some water and then we'll be back to it. All right, so we're gonna start on this back section that I've already cleared and then work our way back to the curve. We got a nice pile started so far. So yeah, we're just gonna start, and I don't know if you guys can see inside my bucket, but there's a lot of hydraulic fluid. I don't know. I really need this machine for a few more days, but I just don't know if it's gonna do it. It might. It's trying to hang in there. The dealership guy or whoever's running this thing, he said it's got to go back to the dealership to fix that, whatever that thing is, the seal that's leaking. So it's not something that his guy could have fixed while he was here. But, and the thing is he's 2 hours away from me. So, you know, to bring it, to take it back, fix it, and then bring it back 2 hours away, it's just kind of a lot. So. Alright guys, well this is just going to be day one of a 2-day video. I'm going to go ahead and end it here. It is 4:42 p.m. I got an hour ride back home. But tomorrow we're going to finish clearing this little section right here that's left at the start of the septic field. And then turn around behind us and then start going that way to the 3X's. Good morning everybody. It is the next morning and it's a little overcast today, but might keep it a little bit cooler. Anyway, we are walking back to the excavator. It is back there in the woods in the septic area, and walking down this cool little path. I don't know if I mentioned this in the last video, but this path, we didn't even plan for this. It was just kind of already here. But it's kind of cool because it's basically right at the end of the septic field, and it connects road B to road C, and also it connects the, oh, where is it? I think I already showed you guys this, but maybe not. And also it connects the picnic area, which is down there. So kind of cool. But anyway, walking out to the excavator now, gonna fire it up. And the plan is to hopefully get the rest of this septic field knocked out. And I'm looking for my 3 X's that I put yesterday. I don't see them, but I think that they're about right there where those ribbons are. Once I get in there, I only put them on one side of the tree, so. But we don't have that much more left to go. Excavator's right there, and we've gone to about right there. All right, had a couple fittings come loose, so I'm gonna go grab the tool to tighten them up, and then just a few more trees over there, and then I'm gonna flip you guys around to this side. All right, guys, so we've done it again. The machine finally broke this time. That O-ring that originally happened on the first video, that O-ring finally quit or gave out, and it's just spewing fluids. Ooh, that was a hard word. Spewing fluid. So I'm about to leave. That's gonna be the end of this video, but they're supposed to come tomorrow. There it is over there. They're supposed to come tomorrow and fix the leak, hopefully. And then I've got the machine for basically 5 more days. So gonna try and finish everything. Just had somebody come out here to give me a price on root raking everything, grading the roads, grading out the 41 RV spots. So I'll go into more information as we confirm all that. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.